24. We are still discussing on multiplication and division by 10, by 100, or by 1,000. But in this case, we are not talking about decimal numbers. This time we are talking about division and multiplication by 10, by 100, by 1,000 using whole numbers. So how do we multiply? How do we divide? By 10, by 100, by 1,000 using mental strategies. So that is what we want to discuss, and that is what we want to look at. So in this case now, we want now to discuss the hints. So when dividing whole numbers by 10, by 100, by 1,000, you are the one to introduce the comma. You are the one who is going to introduce the comma. But you are going also to use the same system, the same method which we discussed earlier on in the previous lesson, that when you are multiplying, the comma, it moves forward. When dividing, the comma moves backwards. But in this lesson now, we don't have the comma or the point. So what it means is when you are multiplying by 10, you just add a 0. When you are dividing by 10, it means you are going to introduce the comma backwards. You jump or you move backwards one digit. When you are dividing by 100, you introduce the comma and move backwards 2 digits. Then you now introduce your comma. So now let's look at some examples now. Right, example A, 234 times 10, which is equals to 2,340. So when you are multiplying by 10, you just add a 0 in front of the number which you are multiplying. Example B, 234 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 23,400. So you just add 2 zeros. Now let's look at division now. As you can see in multiplication, we were just adding 2 zeros. But when we are dividing now, that is when now we are going to introduce the comma now. So when you're dividing by 10, it means you are now moving backwards. 10, there is 1 0. So you skip one or jump one digit backward, then you introduce the comma. So your answer, it will be 23.4. Example number D, 234 divided by 100. So here you are now moving how many decimal places backwards? 2 decimal places backwards, then you introduce your comma. So it will be 2.34. In this case now, example D. Example D, you can see you are going to move how many decimal places backwards? 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. Then we now put a comma. But as you can see, the comma need a protection. So they introduce a 0.235. So this is all about the multiplication and division by 10, by 100, by 1,000 using mental strategies. So whenever you are multiplying these things, especially when you are dividing, make sure you are the one to introduce the comma. If you are multiplying, it's you just add zeros in front. If I'm multiplying by 10, add 1 0. If I'm multiplying by 100, add 2 zeros. Multiply by 1,000, that is 2 zeros. So that is it all. So I have the assignments, the exercise. So for these 2 exercises, you are going to answer all the questions in the exercise. Calculate the following using mental strategies. So please do not use a calculator, because these questions, if you come across them in paper 1, you really know that you are not allowed to use a calculator, but you are only allowed to use what we call mental strategies. So please do not cheat by using a calculator. Use the method which I have explained. And if it is not clear, you can check from these examples, where then you can understand what is it all about. So with this one, I come to an end. Thank you very much. Make sure you try all the exercises.